Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming essential prerequisites. Open the Google Drive app to verify sync status and note any unsynced files. Once done, move those files to a local folder or external drive so nothing is lost. Make sure you quit the Drive client completely by right-clicking its system tray icon and selecting Quit or Pause Syncing. This prevents locked files later. Doing this first saves time and avoids data loss. Now you will remove the application through Windows Settings. Open Settings and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. You can press Windows +I to get there quickly. Locate Google Drive. It may appear as Drive for desktop. Click the three dots and pick Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts. Windows may ask whether to keep local copies of files or remove them. Choose carefully. Keep local files if you backed them up earlier, otherwise remove to clear disk space. Finish by cleaning residual files and confirming Drive is gone. After uninstall, open File Explorer and check %local app data % and %program files % for any Google Drive folders, and delete them if you no longer need them. Restart your PC to clear locked processes. If you still see Drive in Task Manager, end the process and try again. If the uninstall fails, reinstall the latest Drive installer, then uninstall, or run the Windows Apps Troubleshooter. This resolves most stubborn
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.